Best Tennis Rackets. To help you to slay on the court, we vetted numerous tennis rackets across some of the biggest brands in the game. We aren't professional tennis players, but hey, that might make our picks even more relevant. However, since we know the opinion of a pro is always a plus, we caught up with Rick Matchey, legendary tennis coach, former world-class player, and owner of Rick Matchey Tennis Academy in Boca Raton, Florida. Matchey has taught the best in the game, including a certain set of sisters with the last name Williams. Maybe you've heard of M? We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. In this video we will look at 5 of the tennis rackets in the market. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. The Wilson Hyper Hammer has remained a favorite among new tennis players for more than 2 decades, and it's easy to see why. Designed to help beginners build confidence, this racket combines a lightweight frame with excellent maneuverability, making it comfortable to swing even during long practice sessions. Because it's less taxing on the arm, shoulder, and elbow than heavier rackets, players can focus on developing form and consistency rather than worrying about strain or fatigue. Despite its approachable design, the Hyper Hammer is no slouch when it comes to performance. Its construction allows players to generate impressive power and spin with minimal effort, helping newer players experiment with different types of shots as they grow. The racket is also surprisingly stable and well-balanced, which gives beginners a reassuring sense of control, especially during serves and volleys. One of its standout features is the oversized 110 square inch head. This larger hitting surface is particularly forgiving, reducing the frustration of mishits and providing a larger sweet spot for clean, confident contact. Whether you're returning fast balls or learning to place your serves, the extra real estate makes a real difference in consistency. What truly makes the latest Hyper Hammer compelling, however, is its price. It delivers the feel and performance of a mid-range racket while remaining affordable for new or recreational players. For anyone just getting started or looking for great value, this racket is an easy recommendation. Length, 27.5 in weight, 8.96 ounces head size, 110 square in. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. The Babolat brand has earned its reputation as a trusted favorite among players of all skill levels, from complete beginners to well-known professionals. Its consistent quality and playability make it a reliable choice, and many coaches and experts often return to the brand for its balanced feel and dependable performance. As Matchey noted, Babolat is a brand that I always come back to, which speaks volumes about its long-term value and versatility. The Boost series, including the Babolat Boost S, is specifically designed with new players in mind. It offers all the essential features you need to develop your game without unnecessary complexity that can overwhelm someone who is just starting out. The goal of the Boost S is to provide an extra boost, especially during returns and ground strokes, while still delivering a smooth, comfortable feel that helps players maintain control and consistency across different shot types. Weighing in at around 9.8 ounces, this racket strikes a strong balance between power and maneuverability. It's lightweight enough for easy swinging and fast reaction at the net, yet solid enough to deliver forceful hits when you need to put the ball away. Beginners will appreciate how natural it feels to swing without causing strain in the elbow or shoulder. With its performance-forward design and excellent price point, often more affordable than similar models in this category, the Boost S stands out as a great upgrade from basic starter rackets. Length, 27 in weight, 9.8 ounces head size, 102 square in. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's address the obvious up front. The Wilson Clash 108 V2 comes with a higher price tag than many entry-level rackets. However, for players who plan to stick with the sport or simply want the best possible playing experience from the start, the investment is genuinely worthwhile. The Clash 108 V2 is widely regarded as one of the most comfortable rackets available for developing players. Its unique frame design reduces vibration and strain, making it incredibly gentle on the arm, wrist, and shoulder. This is a huge advantage for newer players who are still refining their swing mechanics and may be prone to discomfort or fatigue. What sets this racket apart is how well it blends comfort with stable, controllable power. The Clash 108 V2 offers a responsive feel that helps players place shots more accurately, while still giving them enough pop to hit confidently from the baseline. The enlarged 108 square inch head also provides a generous sweet spot, which improves forgiveness and reduces mishits, something every beginner will appreciate as they build consistency. While the upfront cost may seem steep, consider the long-term value. Unlike many budget rackets that may need replacing quickly due to wear or performance limits, the Clash 108 V2 is built to grow with you for years. For beginners who are serious about progress and want equipment that supports their development, starting with a high-quality racket like this can make a noticeable difference from day one. Length, 27.25 in weight, 10.48 ounces head size, 108 square in. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Wilson Geo Speed is another strong value option from one of the most trusted names in tennis. Designed with newer players in mind, this racket offers a reliable blend of comfort, power, and ease of use without overwhelming you with features you don't need. One of its standout advantages is its generously sized 105 square inch head, which provides a larger hitting surface. This makes it more forgiving on off-center shots, something that's especially helpful when you're still developing timing and consistency. At 27.5 inches in length, the Geo Speed is slightly longer than a standard racket. This increased reach can be beneficial for beginners who may not yet have a full, confident swing, helping them generate extra leverage and power with less effort. The extended length also proves useful when stretching for difficult returns, giving newer players a bit more margin for error. Despite being built with affordability in mind, the construction is solid and durable enough to withstand regular play, ensuring you won't outgrow or wear it out too quickly. While the Geo Speed isn't designed to compete with high-performance rackets used by professional players, that's not really the point. It excels as a dependable starter racket or as an extra stick to keep in your bag for recreational matches, casual rallies, or weekend play with friends. When you consider what you're getting for the price, the value-to-performance ratio is impressive, making this an appealing choice for budget-conscious beginners. Length, 27.5 in weight, 10.4 ounces head size, 105 square in. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULSV5. The latest Wilson Burn racket doesn't just look sharp on the court, it delivers performance that makes it a standout choice for developing players. Its sleek design is matched by a thoughtfully engineered frame that prioritizes comfort and ease of use, making it ideal for long practice sessions or extended matches. The lightweight 9.7-ounce construction reduces stress on the wrist, elbow, and shoulder, allowing beginners and recreational players to swing confidently without fatigue, even during marathon rallies. Despite its light frame, the Burn doesn't compromise on power. Its stiff carbon fiber build generates strong, responsive shots, giving you the ability to drive the ball deep or execute sharper angles with minimal effort. The 100 square inch head offers a forgiving sweet spot, which is especially beneficial for players still refining their timing and stroke consistency. Meanwhile, the racket's stability and maneuverability strike a perfect balance, making it easy for newcomers to control placement and spin while feeling secure on every swing. From a value perspective, the Burn lands in a comfortable middle range. It's approachable for beginners without skimping on quality, making it a sensible investment for those serious about improving their game. Compared to other Wilson models in this beginner-friendly guide, the Burn feels like the Goldilocks option, not too heavy, not too light, not too expensive, yet still capable of helping players progress confidently. For anyone starting out or upgrading from an entry-level racket, the Burn offers a compelling combination of style, comfort, and performance. Length, 27 in weight, 9.7 ounces head size, 100 square in.